Hello guys. So sorry for the delay. Hello MC 4-piece. Yeah, I think you were just waiting. So I just started. So there is only, it says there is 0 watching, but I see MC 4-piece is here. So hope the other guys will come right now. So this is just the beginning. So our subject today is how to invest for the long run. It could be a very interesting subject for those people who want to make money for the long run. So I will be waiting for just a few minutes until the other guys come. Now what we say, or what we speak about, what we mean by the long run, it means hey AP Ventures, how are you? We have just begun. There are around 5 watching right now. I am day trading. Oh, you are day trading. It's good. That's the good. Hey AP Ventures, which you have the ID backslide before, I guess. Yeah, did you check training level 12? Training level 12 about day trading. You can find some good techniques. Hello Robert Pielski, how are you? You say I made 200 last week. That's good. That's a good beginning. Okay, feel it is as you feel. If you feel that you have time, you like good actions, you like activity, you can check day trading is better for you, and you are free in the morning, you can do that, no problem. Oh yes, wise man, you know, I was sleeping. So when I wake up, I drink coffee, and later I will drink more coffee, you know, in order to wake up. So chocolate or soda or whatever you like, I can't wake up. So right now, see, I'm drinking my coffee. It goes from my feet, it goes up to my mind. It takes time. That's why you see drinking coffee for a long time. Hey, funny prankster, how are you? Leonel Joseph, how are you? You have training on day trading? Yes. AP Venture, check training level 12. It's called how to day trade using the chart and candlesticks. Yes, I have one because as you might know, AP Ventures, my beginning, I was doing day trading before. Okay, for 1 year or so I was doing day trading, and I have my own techniques. It is based on price also. I don't use a lot of volume, a lot of news. I just find stocks in the morning, and I prepare them. I prepare my trades. It's like swing trading. I prepare my trades and I put the stocks, and I see in the morning where they go. So I will just check the direction and I will buy or sell. Oh, see, MC 4-piece. If you are looking at me, if you are listening my voice, this is the most important thing. Okay. Because it's not a big deal. Okay, it's not a big deal. So the most important thing The most important thing is to the most important thing is to listen to me. Okay, if you are listening to me, that is the most important thing. Okay, that is the most important thing. It says secrets of swing trading. Okay, so as I told you before, let me go to the page now. So MC 4Ps, do you listen to me? It means if you can hear me, that is the good thing. I think I want to get back to swing trading, but I can build my capital faster as day trading. Yes, AP Venture, if you think that you can make more money by day trading, it's okay. It's okay. But for me, I have the opposite opinion. It's the opposite. It's the opposite, because let's say a stock was $10. After 2 weeks, it goes to $15 or $17. Do you think that you can make more money than if you have good trade? I don't think so. I think I want to get back. Okay, cool. When you drink coffee in videos, but I'm having hot chocolate. Yes, you can you can drink whatever you like, but for me, I like coffee. Okay. Yes, I can see and hear you. Thanks. Okay, MC4Ps. If you can hear me, this is the most important thing, because I am not using the screen to put some stuff or to put something. I don't. So it's useless. To see me, you have seen me many times, so so you know me. So, fan of day trading, not as existing as swing trading. Yes, yes. For me also, swing trading sometimes. When you get good trades, you will understand why swing trading is superior. You will understand. Okay. I have one of the traders. He has never seen like $1,500 or $2,000 from $5,000 or $6,000. This is his account. He has never seen that. And whenever he has bought a stock and he used my, just my criteria, and then after a few days, the stock has been going so good, and he see like 1,500 or 2,000. He doesn't believe. He sent me an email. He told me, I have never seen like $1,500, $2,000 just coming like this from a stock. I say to him, this is the way my strategy work, if you understand it. Yes, you will have some losers. Yes, it's okay, but this is what we are looking for. We are looking for big money from trends. No, I swing trade for full time. It means all my money in the market, I buy stocks, and I am always in the market. Okay, so it's like all my stocks. Whenever a stock is sold, either by profit or a loss, I replace it. So it's from years I'm doing the same thing. Okay, it's always the same. Oh no, I don't do. What do you mean intraday trading? It means day trading? No, I don't do it. For a long time ago, I don't do it. Because day trading, you should be there on the action. You should be there. If a stock has big move, or in that day, you should be there. And it is so difficult. Okay? But you can do day trading. It's okay. If you like day trading more, you can do it. But just how Don Dinish, how to open an account? Don, are you living in the USA? Are you living in the USA, Don Dinish? You can You can send me an email. I will send you a link to my broker. Oh, no. You are Vivo. You say yes. But I'm speaking about Don Dinish. Hello, the empty trader. Yes, AP Ventures. When people begin to have money, you should diversify your money. You should never stick with something. Why you should someone do you do one job and that's it in your life? When you begin to have money, you begin to look at every business possible, because the aim is to make money. Making money from stocks or from real estate or from anything else, this is a business. And when you reach certain type of mindset, you see everything as equal. But for me, I'm doing a lot like stocks, and that's why I'm always there. Hello, the empty trader. On average, how many stocks you buy each week? No, see, Lionel Joseph, I don't buy by week. I don't buy by week. I buy when I have a loss or profit. So some weeks I don't buy and I don't sell. So try not to push me. Try not to limit what I do in what you think. What you think is wrong. Why you speak about 1 week? If I stay 2 months in a stock, why you tell me to how many stocks you do in a week? No, you can't do that. You can't think about that. Think that when I need, I buy another stock in order to replace another stock. That's it. So I don't know. Sometimes once in a week, sometimes two, sometimes I don't. So it's oh, you are in Dubai, so you should either, if you want to do from America, you should just Google it, because my broker doesn't accept international traders for Don Dinish. You can check other you put for example big brokers in USA, and you will have a list and you compare them, and then you can do that. And are you what's your nationality, Don Dinish? You are not from Dubai, right? What is the nationality? I have been using math to do day trading. Can you suggest me some math strategy? Oh, okay. Vivo, there is training level 12. This what I used before. You find some techniques, okay, you can use them, and it is based on price. It means just price thing, which is calculations. So I don't use news or something else. Yes, Zorba, how are you? And just for YouTube, hello. Hello everybody. Oh, Mohammed Belaba, yes, I have seen you last time. You are from Algeria, which is very nice. The problem is that in Algeria we have just a small stock market with 6 companies, and you can't enter there. You know, it's very frustrating. Canada today. I had fun time. Canada 150 years ago. So what do you mean 150 years ago in Canada? Oh, Don Dinish, you are from Sri Lanka. Oh, okay. Thank you. You can you can I don't know if Sri Lanka have a stock market, but we have Indian markets. I don't know if you can join that market or your market. Hey, Vincent and NCY, good evening. Yes, good evening. I see that some people from last week, they don't come. They come only on Saturday. I love peace. Yes, in many places we have peace. I just pay for the monthly subscription. Do I have money deducted each month automatically, or do I need to pay each month? No, no, it's automatic thing. It's automatic. And I left the subscription at $35. At least other people can join, because a lot of people are they see 55 and say, oh, it's too much or something. So I leave it for $35 for some time, and then I'll see. What is the minimum amount of money you would suggest someone have in their account to start trading? Hey, Lionel Joseph, Lionel, try to understand. I always say it. The bigger account, the better for you. Whatever your money you have, this is the account. Because if I tell you a number, it will not be fair. Okay? So just begin with the number that you have. Even if you have $1,000 or $2,000, just to begin with it. Because you will understand later that money is very important. That's why I give you the idea, and in the future you will see that it is the truth. But right now you can't understand very well what I'm saying until you reach that stage. And it's just you buy stock at 100 shares, and then you become big. You buy 500 shares, then you buy 1,000, then you buy 5,000, then you can buy 10,000 shares of a stock. Okay, so you see the steps. It means the more you become bigger, the more you need to buy more. That's why we have margin account, but margin account is difficult for some people. That's why for me, I'm not trying to ask people to do margin account. At least it is your money. If you lose it, it's your money. But don't lose other people's money, which is the margin account, and then they follow you and you will be in debt. You had IQ option online trade. So I don't know about this, but we don't do options here. We do only stocks. So try to be careful about options. Do you ever take vacation, or do you monitor trade if you take vacation? Oh no, in my vacations I just before I leave, I buy stocks. I put stop loss as always, and when I come back, like 1 week or 2 or 4 weeks, I come back and I see which continues to go up and which have been going down. But I can search, I can buy again even in my vacation, but it's not that far. It's not, I don't push myself to the extreme. If it is like just 1 week or 2, so I don't. No. See, the market is always the same. People, they just because they some people, they can't make money, they begin to blame the market. Okay, you see, go online, go to the chart. I will show you stocks that have been going for 6 months, going up, and if you buy it, you can make tons of money. But if you don't discover these stocks at the beginning, okay, you can't make it. That's why you go and you buy other stocks that are losers, and you lose money each time. This is because your search and your selection was nearly bad. But sometimes you have a good winner. Yeah. So all the people who speak about high frequency traders and all, they try just to give themselves an excuse not to make money. Excuse. That's it. Okay. It means those who trade a lot, they make money. Everybody, a lot of people, they lose money. It's not all the people they make money. I have seen Pankaj Tripathi predicts stock intraday is this accurate? Can you suggest me some assets? No, man. See, we are not Vivo. You still believe in superstition, okay? 99. 99. Well, why you don't say 100%? Okay? You can't predict. You can't throw money and you just predict. Any stupid person can predict. You can predict also. Whenever someone tells you that he succeeded to be the same as the market, he is wrong. Okay? So you are searching for the sources. Ask this guy, this Pankaj Tripathi, to give you the sources. I don't have resources here. We are using price with a signal, and we buy and we wait. We don't know the future and we don't pretend. Okay? So Vivo, if you are relying on math, on price, you should use my strategies. If you are using superstition or predicting or seeing the stars or seeing the sun, and it will let you, or you can sleep and someone will send you a list of stocks that will go up. This I don't do. I don't do dreams. I don't sell success here. So Vivo, either you do it and you search by yourself and you be independent trader in order to succeed, or you follow this charlatan, okay? You follow these fools and you continue with them until you succeed. I don't have. Do you trade with margins? No, I don't trade with margins. I have enough money to trade, so I don't need them. I don't need other people money to trade. Hey, Vincent, you are saying something strange. You say you do 4 or 5 trades per week. If you do that, it is considered as day trading account, and in order to do swing 20, you need margin account. But Vincent, what you want to tell me? I don't understand you. Okay, I don't understand you. Consider day trading account. So I am not doing day trading. Even if I buy 10 stocks or 20 stocks or 100 stocks, I am not day trader. I don't buy the day and sell. I don't. So the broker has no relation with me. I have enough money to buy to sell as much as I need. So I don't care about who. There is no one who will stop me. So maybe you are thinking about something else. Okay? I don't need margin account to do what I want to do. Okay? So if you have small account, yes. If you have small accounts, you need margin account to let you do more trades. Yes. Yes. This is what the hedge fund managers said to us in the interview, that they have high frequency traders that you will make it hard for their that's hedge fund manager. Okay, in interview. What kind of interview? Hey, AP Ventures, send me the link to this hedge fund manager. Okay, I don't know about this guy who is speaking about you and he tell you it's hard. Okay, I'm telling you one thing. If you bought Facebook at 70.55 and now 152, can this hedge manager change that? Can he change that? No, he can't change. So you know, people, you know, they say what they want to say. Yes, yes. Thank you, wise man, because he is telling me about maybe his account, or I don't know how much he had, so I don't know. You said earlier, we don't need margin account, but if you swing trade, we need swing trade account instead of waiting 3 days. No, see, if you use margin account, understand that if you use the money, you are doubling your profits and doubling your loss. It means that you should know how to trade. This is my main thing. Yes, you can use margin account if you don't have money, but understand that that it is doubled. If you make, for example, 100 with your money, $100 as a profit, with the margin account you make $200. Okay? Now, if you lose, you will lose $200 from your money, not from the margin money, your money. So the loss will be doubled. So if you don't know how to trade and you use the margin account, it will be very difficult for you, because you might lose too very quick and you end up losing everything. That's what I'm talking about. Now, for you don't need to very quick buy a stock when you lose. I told you before, you can use a cash account, and you can just make let's say 3 positions, okay, and just each week or each 3 days buy one. You don't need to buy everything, and you push yourself to the extreme, because you don't have that much money. That's my idea. Yes. If it is cash account, yes. 25,000. This is not a broker rule. It's the FINRA rule. It says you should have 25,000 to trade as much as you can. So see, Lionel Joseph, since you have 1 to 4, you should continue your training at least 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7 training. 5, it gives you how to make money from stocks. I give you the concept. Number 6, it gives you the stop loss, how to make the stop loss. And 7, it gives you how to follow an uptrend. So these 3 are very important. Then you can finish, you can go ahead and finish the other training. But the most important thing is those 7 training levels. You have 4, and what is left is 3. Vincent, I have 60,000 in my cash account. How many positions do you recommend to swing trade? It depends on you. You can do 5, you can do 6 positions, depending on how, what kind of stocks are you buying? Are you buying big stocks, or are you buying like small stocks? Okay, if you buy small stocks, you put less money in the position, because the risk is more. That's what you should do. But it is up to you. You can put it in 4 positions, in 5, in 3. It depends on you. But don't put all your money into one position. This, you have the highest risk and the highest profit. You have also profit, but it is the highest profit and the highest risk. Okay, so don't always try to divide. And this, Vincent, if you go to training level 8, please go to training level 8, how to minimize risk and how to maximize profits. You will find a better deal and how to do with your account, because I can't give you all the information live like this. So you should get the training. If you get the training, if you get it, please just read it and send me another an email. Prodigy, you say, do you have any advice for people that jump into the market as it's going up? I don't know which market is going up. We are dealing with stocks, not with the market. Okay, because of the market. What do you mean by the market? You mean the industry sector, or you mean the general market? I don't know what you mean. And Prodigy, we are following strategy by signal, by criteria. We are not following the market. Okay, we don't care about the market. Sometimes the market is good and you buy stock and you lose money. Sometimes the market is bad, you buy a stock and you make money. So the market, it has not that much emphasis. So Prodigy, it's better to try to use my my subscription. It has 4 trainings. Study it, and then at least you will know what you are doing. If you don't have it, I don't know, Prodigy, if you have it or no. Okay. Yes, Vincent, just go. I put here my website and my email, and just go there. You'll find the same Djellala. Yes, please just go to the website and you will find the thing. Our PDF courses cover everything that is covering videos. Yes, just for YouTube. Yes, but see, if I want to add information, I will not add to the PDF, because it will be a very hard problem for me to try to do it again, all the course again. So Vivo, you say you don't you answer my questions. Now what is the question that you ask, Vivo? I don't remember. I have seen I have been talking about you for a long time. So what is your questions that you, please, can you write them again? Okay. Yes. You just go to my website and there is email. If you don't find what you are looking for, just send me an email. Participant is also using math. He is asking for. He is asking for what? $10,000? Vivo, I don't know this guy, and there is no one. Maybe you are. If you are a believer in God, okay, no one knows what will happen in the future. This guy maybe die tomorrow. How can he knows about it? Ask him if he knows when he dies, or you say $10,000? Are you okay with your mind? $10,000 to give you the future? Vivo, I think you are not in this world. Which world do you belong to, Vivo? Okay, there is no one who knows the future. So I don't know how he knows by by math. I have no idea about this math. Vivo, send me an email. Here is my email and website. Send me an email and we can discuss this later, because I have no idea. Or I will check on it and I will tell you. I will check on this guy and I will tell you. It looks like a Hindu, this religious Hindu thing. $10,000? Man, 10,000. 10,000. You will have 150 grams of gold, I guess. You give it to him, and then this is like Indian god or something, or I don't know what is it. Djellala, you must have a pretty laid back life, being what you swing trade full time. Yes, this is before I do day trading. That's why I changed to swing trading, because it gives me more freedom, it gives me more time. Okay, yes. Do you trade American stocks? Yes, Sony. We are here in America, and I do only American stocks. There are more than 10,000 companies here. So where are you from, Sony Chavez? Where are you from? Yes, in just for YouTube. In PDF, they are PDF files that you download. Okay, so I will not. This is the training. It is there, but sometimes if I want to add, I will not add in the PDF. Most of the time, I don't add. I add in the videos because I can add, I can cut. It's very easy with videos than the thing. Okay, so you say you don't believe in God. Do you believe that someone will know the future? Can he, for example, avoid death? For example, can he? Tomorrow he will die. Can he avoid that? Or he will have an accident or someone killed him. So can he avoid that? Because he will see the future. There is no one who sees the future. He see the future in your country, but not here in America. There is no one who sees. Okay, so Vivo, the market is changed by people. You will never know what other people are thinking. It is a demand and supply. It is an economy thing. It's based on math. So tomorrow, I don't know what the people will think and will do. So if someone tells you that he knows what the market will be tomorrow, is a liar. He can pretend, yes, predict, yes, but to give you the truth, no, he can't. Now you say, Sony Chavez, you don't have a bank account and you're living in America? Sony, you are living in America, you don't have a bank account? Why? Oh, you are living in Mexico? Oh, okay. So you can open an account here in America, I guess, or you trade into Mexican stock market. I don't know how many stocks you have. Okay, in the stocks, I can stay until 3 months, but this is not a rule. Here is the answer for the weak seller. My stocks will be from the second day, it means when I buy them, to few weeks or few months, but I don't know. But generally it is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It depends. Now, how much I made? Okay. By percentage, I can make 50%, 60, 70, sometimes 100% in the trade. Depends on each stock because each stock is different. Okay? So this is not a rule. It means I don't know how much I will make because the profits you can't quantify. You can't say in this stock I will have 10% or 20% or 100%. I have one stock. I stayed 3 days. It was 11.55. It goes to 29.50 cents. So it's nearly 300% in 3 days. And it is not small stock. It is $11. It goes to $29. So the how long you stay has nothing to do with how much you make. Okay? It has nothing in relation. Sometimes the stock stays 1 week and you can make more money than a stock it stays 1 month. So try to take these ideas from your mind and understand that no one knows where your stock will be. It's unlimited. So why are you trying to limit a stock where it can go? But for me, I'm telling you, some stocks stay until 3 months. Okay? For the percentage, it could be 10%, 50%, 100%, 120%. Okay? So it depends. It depends on each stock. Okay, AP Ventures, you say I lost every trade I made so far. Okay, here is the deal. Here is the deal. Send me an email here. Okay, send me an email and give me the information. For example, the day, for example, the stock name, the day you purchased it, stop loss, and day you exit. Okay, give me those stocks. I can study them, and I will tell you why. If you are willing, to it means if you are willing to work on your stocks. If you want that, I will help you with that. Okay, so here is my email. Let's see here. Here is my email and my website. Please send me an email, and we will discuss this in private, because when you lose money, okay, something has happened. So when you give me the information, I can know what is your problem. Okay, did you use my strategies, or you use your own strategies? I don't know what you use, but for me, I will check what's the problem. Do the market movers only bring down a stock when they are trying to buy back in share? No, mostly when the market movers, who are they? You can think about mutual funds. Mutual funds, they don't sell and they buy it again. So understand that it is not true. Okay? And because when they sell, they want to get all their money from the stock in order to buy another stock. It could be, for example, a hedge fund who is shorting the stock. Okay? It could be that. And but for them, they don't want to stop. They want to hit it until they get that much money. Yes, with the gap down when there is news and there is so let me see. Okay. So let's see here something. Okay. Calinative Imperial, is the stock market rigged? Well, see, the way we do business, we don't see the market. We see stocks, and there is a big difference from that. Sometimes the market is going up, and you buy stocks that are going down, so you lose money, although the market is good. Sometimes the market is bad on those days, but you have stocks that are going up. So that's why it's all messed up in the market. So our strategies are based on price. If something is going up, okay, according to our criteria, and we get the signal, we buy them, and then we can make money. So we are not really interested in the whole market. We are interested only in the stocks. Thank you, AP Ventures. I still remember your bikes thing. You are doing apps, I think. I think according to your ID. Already did you, we discussed it, it was because of the news. Yes, for gap downs, yes. So thanks for the help. No problem with that. What are your monthly average losses in percentage? So here your question is false, because you want to know the winners and the losers in what I do. Okay, and I told you before, I think you or another guy, Lionel Joseph, I told you that this question is false, because the number of winners, it doesn't mean that when you make, there are some people online who tries to give false information because they don't know how to trade. This is what they know about the market, this is what they have read in books or in online, and they try to give you this information in order to convince you that they know the market. When you say, let's say you say, I have 70% winners and 30% losers. It's just an example. Is that true that you are making money? Most of the time you are not making money from this, because making the money has nothing to do with the percentage. Winners over losers. So Lionel Joseph, if you want to understand how I work, you should go ahead and go and see training level 5, how to make money from stocks. I give you the concept that I use in order to make money. So it's not winners and losers. Okay, so because losers and winners, they change. They change. So they are not constant. So I'm not making constant thing like 70, 75, 60. No, no. And I don't care about this winners and losers, because it will never make you the money. What makes you the money is another thing that has no relation with winners and losers. Okay? As you said. Yes, the ratio, this ratio is wrong. I can make, I'm telling you, I can make 30 winners and 70 losers, and I'm still making money. You understand? This is how I trade. So try forget about this ratio thing, because ratio, it means that you can control the market when you do a ratio. When someone tells you, like this guy who is I don't know where he goes, Vivo, he told me that you give someone $10,000 and he will give you 99 of predictions of his stocks. Is this real? No. No, it's not. So hello Karim, happy birthday Canada. Which happy birthday Canada? For Canada, NASA? What's this? Happy birthday Canada. Incredible product, because of position sizing and stuff. Despite losing 30% in one stock, only lost 3% of account size. Will make that money back easy. Okay, just curious if you know how your subscribers, students using your stuff is doing. Do you get feedback from? Yes. Just for YouTube, I have friends. These my students, they become friends and they share with me their trades. It's like for years. Okay, and we are always contacting each other when they have problem or when they do a trade, they don't know what's the problem. I will just help them. So I am just good with my students, and my students are good with me, because we are staying a very long friends. So it's not just you come, you take my training, and then you leave and that's it. No, I follow my students. I have my students, either they trade or they don't trade, they still contact me and they ask me questions. Okay, because this is the good thing, is just to keep good relations with everybody, for those who want to study. But for those who are not really, they do it for fun, they will not come to me, because they know they should work. And people who don't work, they are lazy. they can't succeed in anything they do. If you are lazy, yes, swing trading is more lazy than day trading. Yes, it's true, but it's not lazy that you don't do nothing. This is Wiseman. I am from Canada. Should I be buying only Canadian stocks because of the exchange rate? Yes, Wiseman. Do what is good for you, because for me, I don't know. If I was in Canada, I will do Canadian stock market if they give me help with this exchange rate and the other stuff. There are some countries they have stock market and they don't pay tax and they don't pay anything. Just go and trade. Okay, so it's very good if you are in Canada and they give you some good things. It's very good. Yes, incredible product. I was unlucky. I managed to get the stock that lost most value, which is not something normal. Please, incredible product, please send me an email and we can talk about this stock and what did happen for Friday. For me, I don't know which stock you are in. Hey, Menu Pan Mini, good morning, sir. Good morning. Here we are at night, but it's okay. Oh yeah, today Canada has 150 years old. Yes, Canada, but Canada in real it has thousands of years. Okay, where the Indians were there, so Canada it's a new country. Yes, it's good. Yes, Menu Pan Mini, we are here at night. We are nearly midnight here, but no problem. NASA big party today. Yes, it's very good in Canada, but here there is no party here. That's great to know. Thanks. Okay, now until now it's 52 minutes. We haven't started speaking about the subject of today, which is how to invest for the long run. Now, investing for the long run here in America, a lot of people they use what we call 401k, which is yes, it's very good. They use 401k because the companies they match what they put. Okay, let's say they put 6% or 5% or 3%. The company matches that with whatever percent, and they make which is something that it is available for everybody. Some others they use other kind of investment. Some people they use which is another thing here in the USA, which is called the Roth IRA. It means when you put your money and you don't pay tax. This is the best thing, but most of the people I talk to, either online or they send me emails, they have no idea about it. And it is too bad, because the government or the IRS give you an opportunity not to pay tax. But some people, they don't know about this. So that's why I say always, knowledge is power. It means if you know what you are doing, you will have the power. And some people they open this Roth IRA and they begin to trade, and after they can take their principal after 5 years. For those who are interested really, they should go to their tax preparer or to the CPA and they speak to them about this. And if you have questions, just send me a question. Okay, or if you go to your he will give you all the information. He will give you all the information about that. Now, I have spoken before that you can make your own mutual fund. Okay, what is it, mutual fund? You buy stocks. So the stocks you should search them by yourself. Okay, whatever criteria that you find about investing, you put and you begin just to buy some stocks. So you make a portfolio. What you should do, you should always, each year, for example, or each month or 6 months, what you should do, you have some saving money and you put it in your account and you buy more. Okay? This is one of the best things, because in the future, most of the stocks, if the market is going up, they will go up and you will make money. With 10K balance for starting trade with your strategies, how much can we make average ratio, if you can say? Okay, you are again with this idea of ratio. Okay, it means as if you are not involved in what you are doing, as if strategies, they work by themselves. The more you know about my strategies, the more you practice, the more you make money. Okay, so if you have my strategies and you don't understand them, okay, and you do the same mistakes, okay, you will be doing the same, you will be losing money. But my strategies stops you from losing money. It means a lot of money, this is for sure. Okay, if you are losing money like this, my strategies will stop you from doing, and you understand the risk. This is the most important thing. You will not throw your money into the market until you have a plan. Okay, and you choose the best stocks and you follow this into many years. When you become proficient, okay, you begin to see the money when you understand and you practice things. It's not just you throw, you read my online strategies for one night or two, and then tomorrow you begin making money and with a percentage. There is no this idea of ratio or percentage. Please take it from your mind. There is no ratio or percentage. Okay, maybe 1 year you make 10% or 20% or 100%. The other year you make 10, 20, 30, 50. It depends. It depends on where you are in the market. Sometimes all the people are in industry and it's going up for 6 months, and you are in bad industries which are going down and you don't know. So you are not working as the strategies says. So incredible product. Well, what you want? Hello guys, Younger Majestic. Sonny Chavez, can you recommend some books about trading? Yes, there are. I have a video about books, but why do you need the books? The books give you a general idea. What I am doing is giving you strategy, where to buy, where to sell, how to put stop loss, how to follow stock. So why are you looking for books? The books you can read whatever you want, but the books, they will never give you a clear strategy to follow. Okay, those who wrote books most of the time are the stingiest people on earth. Okay, they will never give you anything that makes you the money, although they know. Okay, some people they know, but they will never give you. Although, because the book, you know, just for advertisement, they can make some millions of dollars if it is bestseller. That's what they do. Okay, so it's reading books is not. It can give you ideas, but it will never give you. So try, Sonny Chavez, try to go to my website and try taking ebooks for my strategy, and try to begin your training. This is the best thing you can do. Take fees. Yes, Prodigy, you should when you do your actual money, you will feel better the money than when you do on paper. Okay, because sometimes when you do on paper, Okay, you do on paper, you don't feel it. You don't feel the money. The money you should feel when you get money, because most of the people who do paper, for me, the paper is just to understand the broker platform. This is where you use paper for 1 month or 2 or 3. But later you should use your money, even if it's little money. You should begin with them. Kareem, why do you give us the information? Which information I give you? I don't give you any information. I'm just highlighting the ideas. I'm not giving you any information in my session. Okay, I'm just giving the general ideas that will help you. For example, when they say use, for example, Roth IRA, it's just because you don't pay tax. So this information I give it for myself. Okay, to people. I don't care when I give some useful information for the people, because they are following me. So I'm giving as much as I can. No, try not to interfere in what the big guys are doing in the market. Just focus on your stock. If you buy your stock at $10 and you sell it at 15, do you see these people, mutual funds or market makers or hedge funds? Do you see them? No. So this is what counts, is you make money from the market. Forget about other people and what they say, because you just waste your time. If you are still watching TV, watching CNN, and watching those gurus, what they say in the market, that this will come tomorrow and this will come, you are just wasting your time. That's why I don't watch. I have never watched. It means I don't watch news and I don't care about what they say. Okay, because their information is lagging information. It's the past. Okay, this is what they do when they want to raise money for mutual funds. What they say, you will find online, like CNN, CNBC, or Bloomberg, or whatever website or TV. They say, oh, this mutual fund has made 25%, and the average is only 8%. So this is the best investment in the world. Come and buy. Okay. Now you think that next year it will be 25 or 30 or 50%, but they speak about the past. Now whenever you are buying, the other guys are selling the mutual fund. So you understand this? You are buying, the other are selling. So who will win? Is the sellers, because they are big. You are just no. So that's why I told you, don't listen too much, because it's just a waste of time. If you follow my strategies, you will never have the idea to see the news. Okay, except for the earning dates. If the stock has a gap up or gap down, yes, you can check if you want to. If you don't want to stay in the trade before the earnings, you can. But some news, they come without earnings, so you can never know what will happen tomorrow. No, I don't hear about this TradeNet funny prankster, and I don't follow what the other people do. Frankly, honestly, I don't follow people. I don't care what they do or what they. So it's up to you to follow which company or which thing. If you think they are doing good stuff and they will help you trade. For me, what I do to you, I will explain to you how the market works. You should be an independent trader, independent from me and from anyone else. Okay? If you know when to buy stock, you get a signal, and you know how to select the stocks, you know how to do the stop loss, you know how to follow the stock. You don't need anyone else. You don't need. I have friends who have been trading for a long time. They forgot about this news and watching, and you can make money without them. So I don't know what is this trade net. You can check it later, or send me, please, funny prankster, send me an email. Here is my email. Send me an email and we can talk about this privately, because I have no idea what is it. Okay. What sector industry is currently up right now in your opinion? See, Vincent NNYIC. I don't follow the sectors or industries. I see them, yes. Okay? But my strategy gives you the stock that it is moving, not the whole industry. Because you can't make money from the industry. If you want to understand this, the industry and its relation with the stock, and you want to trade, please go and check what we call training level 3, which is called funny prankster. Try to go and check what we call training level 3. How to search for stocks using stock screener. No. How using industry index. Sorry. Okay, this training level 3, it will explain to you how to find the industry that it just begin to go up, and then you can find the best stocks according to criteria that I explained to you in this industry, in this videos. It is a whole training. You can just go there and check it. If you want directly to go to stocks, you should use training level 2. Okay, how to search for stocks using stock screener. Stock screener, this strategy is for the ones who wants to go directly to stocks without going to industries. Now, who's this? Abdul Aziz, tell us about your strategy. Now, my strategy is based on price. It is based on criteria, based on price. I don't use indicators. I don't use moving averages. I don't use news. I don't use volume. This is the 4 things that the people use. I don't use. The most important thing is resistance line, support line, and trend line. All this stuff with criteria. So if you want to, I don't know if you are, if you have an account in USA, your name is Abdul Aziz. Are you here in the USA, or are you living in another country? I don't know, but my strategies works in any country because it is based on price. It's not based on news or company information or so. That's the general thing about my. You can go, please. You can go to my website and check all the training, and you can get some information. No, Daniel Richardson, I don't use channels. I don't use channels because to calculate stop loss, it has nothing to do with only price. It has to do with other things. So Daniel, if you want to get a clear idea about stop loss, you can see the training level 6. Training level 6, which is called how to calculate stop loss. In this, you will understand how the stop loss works. You say, Prodigy, if the market were to crash, would it be a good idea to buy in the dip? How do you know the dip? Sometimes the crash stays 1 year or 2. Are you going to stay 1 year or 2 doing no trade until you stay until the market will go up? It's like the sector, energy sector. It stays 1.5 years going down. Are you going to stay 1.5 years doing nothing? You can use how to short, which is training level 18. how to short the whole market, and you can make money when the stocks are going down. You can use this strategy that I use when the market is collapsing. How to short the whole market in order to make money. So, and this is it's training level 18. Yes, Leonel Joseph, resistance line, support line, my criteria and price. Yes, this is what I am using always. Magish Kumar, how are you? So, as I told you before, since we are speaking about the long run, understand that investing has a bigger risk. Some people think that investing has no risk at all. Okay? Especially those who have their money into something that he can take out his money, like 401k, like a traditional IRA. They can't take their money because they will oblige them to have a penalty and to have tax on this money. Okay? So we as swing traders, our money, we can take them in one day. I can sell everything and I can have all my money. I don't care about when there is a big what we call a big crash, like what happened in 2008. 2008 in financial crisis. You see that the whole market is going down. So if you leave your money there for 1 year or two, you will be losing a lot of money. So either you begin to short, or you can use my to short the whole market or to short the whole sector or industry using my strategy that I showed in training level 18. Oh, okay. So see, funny prankster. Okay, send me an email. This is for funny pranker. Send me an email, and then we can discuss this later. Yes, it will be better with hedge fund money, because you will have the ability to buy what you like. Okay, sometimes the whole market is going up, okay, and there are industries that are going up and there are good stocks, but because you don't have money, you can't buy. That's the hedge fund will use his money. Hey Megish, how are you? Fine, I'm fine. We have been speaking 1 hour 30 minutes. Sir Magesh Kumar is my friend, and he is so much interested to learn your strategy. Okay, thank you very much, Minyapan and Sir Magesh. You have entered my website and my email. If you have specific questions about your market, or about USA market, or about my strategy, just go to my website, and here you have my email. Just send me an email and we can talk, because sometimes it's some talk is private about some issues or something, so it should be more private. Do you have Roth IRA beside your cash? Yes, I have a Roth IRA. I know I don't have traditional, because traditional is like 401k. Okay, you will pay tax. And if you take it before 60, when you are before 59 and 6 months, if you take your money, they will punish you with a penalty, and you pay tax for this money. But Roth IRA, when you put it, you put only, I think, 5,500 if you are less than 50, and then 6,500 when you are 50 years and more. Okay, and you should do it each year. This is the amount they ask each year. So if you are young and you put your money into a Roth IRA, it is better than the normal account that you have right now. Okay, it's just because in Roth IRA you are not paying tax, which is very good. It's not reported to the tax. It's not reported. And when you take money, it's not reported the tax thing. This is government thing, so it's very good. But the problem is that most people, they don't know about it. This is the problem. Yes. Lionel Joseph, you can do whatever you want. You can day trade, and you can swing trade, and you can invest for the long run. You can do whatever you want. Who stops you from doing though? But for me, I don't want to look at my screen for 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours for one trade. I don't want that. I have done it and I hate it. You can make a little money, but it's not as swing trading. Swing trading, you have more free time for yourself. And the more you have money, the more you can make money. That's why I'm telling you always, you should make bigger and bigger and bigger accounts and stop thinking about this small account. You should have an idea for the future. And this is what we call investing for the long run. You invest in your day trading account, in your swing trading account, on your investment account. You make bigger and bigger and bigger money. Why you should stop yourself to do one thing? No, you don't buy the same shares. You buy with the same money. You are mistaken in asking the question. I buy with the same money whatever shares. Okay, so it's different. It's different. It's the money that tells you how many shares you buy according to the stock. If you buy a stock at $20 and a stock that it is $50, how many shares you buy more with $20 as a share? You buy more shares than with the $50 or $40. Okay. So here are my best hobbies is collecting coins and panning for gold. This means prospecting. I go sometimes to gold mines and I prospect there. So all is related with money. But this is what I like. I search and I study, and this is what I like. And that's the good thing in when you have a free time. And you can do whatever you want. So, as I told you before, how to invest for the long run, understand that there is a big risk. This big risk, the people, they are not aware of it. I'm telling you the truth. If someone knows the risk in the stock market, when you invest for the long run, okay? No, I'm not speaking about swing trading or day trading. I'm speaking about when you invest and you lock your money. There are some years that are bad years in the market that you can lose half of your money, in whatever sector you put your money. Like what happened in 2008. If you don't, I have made a lot of videos on 2008. You put 2008 in my channel, and you get a lot of videos speaking about this. I will show with what happened to stocks. A stock that it is $80, it goes down to $40. Okay, in 1 year or 1 year and a half. It's not because of the company, but it is just because of the market, the whole market. Oh yeah. No, the coffee is an addiction. It's always with me. So I drink 2 or 3 cups a day. So what is most valuable you find? Oh no, in collecting, I am just searching, because this is a new hobby for me. Like 2 years or 3 years, I begin to discover, because see, when you don't know something, all the people, they don't know, most of the people, they don't know what is the value of a coin. There are some coins that are millions of dollars. There are some $100,000. Some it is 1,000. Some it is 25,000. Some it is $30. It depends. Okay. Ein Boom, it's a live streaming. Yes, it's a live streaming. Thank you for joining us. Yes, I see that you drink hot chocolate, so I drink coffee only. When you have the knowledge about coins, you begin to see things differently. Okay, and you begin to search, but it needs passion and patience. Like panic for gold or prospecting for gold, you need patience and you need passion, something that you like. If you don't like something, you can't do it. That's the problem. That's the problem. Yes, yes. Real estate is a good thing, and you can have this real estate, and you can rent them, and you can have an income from them. But gold coins, you buy gold coins for what? I don't know. I don't buy gold and leave it because it's not really an investment. Where you live? I am in Michigan. I am in North Carolina. Okay. No one is speaking about investing for the long run. So we try just to take some time and continue speaking about long run. I told you that when you put an investment, you can use what we call mutual fund. You can make your own mutual fund, and you can you can study some books in order to know which company is, and you know that stuff. For me, it's very hard, but you can just go and study what are the companies that you can buy. Now, if you like some companies, you can just begin to buy and never sell. Just leave them for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Now you will see that these companies, if these companies are good, you will see that they begin to become bigger and bigger and bigger in terms of price. If the companies are bad, you can see that they are going down and down and down. You can compare them to what? You can compare them, yes, for decades. You can compare them to their industry. This is the good thing I gave you as information. Yes, yes, yes. He was investing, and he risked all his money. Do you know if I tell you that in 2008, Warren Buffett, like everybody else, he lost half of his wealth. Do you understand what does it mean, half of his wealth? Let's say he has $40 billion. He has only $20 billion. But because he believes that he should never sell, okay? Because those companies that he owns are good, and the people understand that these people, they make money not from the stock itself, but from the company itself. Okay? So Warren Buffett, he was the head of this Berkshire companies. He has a lot of companies, and he invested millions of dollars. So don't compare yourself with Warren Buffett. Or a lot of people, they do, but they are mistaken. Yes, half. In 2008, see the stocks. His stock is called all his companies, Berkshire. I think it's BRK. BRK. Let's see the chart if I find it. I will tell you right now. I will tell you how much. I will see if I can find it very quick, and I will tell you how much in 2008 or 2009, how much he lost, to understand that this thing is so risky. Let's say BRK. Yes, I find it. Okay, I will see the years right now. I will tell you. Yes, in okay, in 2008, by the end of 2008, at the beginning he has 141,000 a share, 800 as I see, and the low 74. So 74 from 141 in 2008. You can use my chart, yearly chart, and you will see. Okay, but after he did get back at the beginning of 2013. 2013. It means from 2008, 2013. It means 5 years until all his companies begin to go up, and in 2014 he was 177. 2015 227,000 a share. It goes to 190,000. Now this is what I want to say. It was only these companies were only 70,150 from 7,000 in 90. It goes to 254. Now, if you ask questions, yes, Berkshire A, which is the real owners of category A, those who own the thing. But understand that these things, Warren Buffett destroys investment fund managers. Yes, but see, it was bailed out by the government. So yes, it happens. It happens that the government will help some companies. It helps, for example, car industry before, because they were collapsing in 2008, and because Japan and Germany and the other cars, they invade America, and right now you can see Japanese cars are all there. He bet against British partners. Yes, I'm always not interested for the percentage or how much they make each year. It depends on each one. Yes, yes. This is something what happens sometimes. What you make in 10 years, it can come one year and it can take all your profits for 10 years. This is why it is so hard, this investing. Okay, so the people who make money in the market, most of the time they go and buy other businesses, or they buy real estate, or they do other stuff. It means they make their income wider and wider and wider than stock market. No, it doesn't beat all the hedge funds. And S&P 500, it's all the stocks that are in S&P 500. But when they speak about that, they speak about in terms of 10 years or 20 years or 50 years or 100 years. Okay? But it depends. Okay? It depends. Some mutual funds, they have more than this S&P 500. That's why you can go and you can check. It is just things that happen. For example, if you bought like 3 years ago, if you bought the energy sector and you have a lot of stocks in them, they were going good, but later they go down. So if you are, for example, you invest all your money there, you will be losing a lot of money. Okay? Although the market is still good, the market has not collapsed. It's just this sector. So you understand, there are some. That's why the S&P 500 is the general thing about stocks. You can do the same as this. And those people who say just buy the S&P 500 index, what does it mean? It means when you buy it, the people who have it, the company that they have it, the ETF, they make money from it. Okay, they are fees. When you buy this ETF or you buy this mutual fund, there are fees. But in stocks, there are no fees. You don't pay for fees. This is the good thing about stocks. Yes, it means hedge funds. No, hedge funds are more serious than mutual funds. Typically, they are more serious because hedge funds, because mutual funds, they have rules to apply, and they just follow, and they select stocks. It's the same as hedge funds, but hedge funds, they can do short selling, they can do other things. They are free because the money in their account, they have freedom to do whatever they want. Okay, but for mutual funds, they have some strict rules. They can't do that. Yes, Warren Buffett is not unique. There are some people like him, but it is just he is the one who is always showing off. Okay, there are a lot of people like him. They invested like him, and they are becoming billionaires like him. If you have the money that he has on the 50s and 60s, okay, he buys millions of shares when it is in the 50s. He buys millions of shares. Can you do that now? You can't. But he did it in the 50s. You see, he has a lot of money, and his father was a broker. So understand that you can't compare yourself with him in terms of money, in terms of a lot of things. And he has done a lot of businesses and he failed. Okay, so this you might know, you might not know, but you can study his biography and you see what are the other businesses that he has done, and he failed. But he only succeeded in stock market. Yes, yes, it's a good thing. See, whenever you see lot of profits, you should take some always. Put them in somewhere else. If you can buy real estate, or you can buy something else that has value and it can go with value, at least it is something that you can invest in. But leaving all the money for 10 years or 20 years without touching them, and it comes one bad year like 2008, and you leave them going down, and they say no, don't take them because the market will go up again. So if you lose 50%, you will stay like 2008 until 2013, 5 years until the market go back. But you don't know the stocks that you bought. Maybe they come back, maybe they don't. So there is a lot of risk. So that's why nobody speaks about 2008. Warren Buffett had yes, because nobody speaks about 2008, because all what is in TV is they ask you to buy mutual funds because they take fees, buy ETFs because they take fees, you buy stocks because those who own the companies, their capitalization becomes bigger and bigger. So all these that are not risking any money, they make a lot of money. Okay? Hedge funds, or mutual funds, or companies, or brokers, all these guys, they don't risk. It's us who risk their money. Okay? So those, they take just commissions and fees and the other stuff. If you put 1 million in Amazon in 90, you would have been a billionaire now. It means, you mean that you have 1,000 times? I don't think so. 97. Let's see. Yes. yes. It was like $1 31 cents. Yes, but see, the good thing about investment is you should believe, and you risk all your money. When you succeed, you succeed, but when you lose it all also. Okay, so it's not always so incredible product. The market gives us hope, but it gives us also that we should risk our money. This is the two things. In order to make money, you should risk, but sometimes the risk is so hard. Yes, it means, see, there are some people who, when they see the market is going down, they short the whole market, and they can make money also. So most of the time, it's not going long. It's shorting. Yes, you can make money. That's why short selling is to go down and to make money. Kareem, question: what are your percentage in 2008? I don't begin 2008. I begin 2010. But in 2010, I lost 2010, 2011. I begin to make my money because I messed up with all the thing I do. I do day trading. I do options. I do a lot of stuff. Oh no, I don't own mutual funds and ETFs. No, only stocks. Because see, I can buy ETFs because it's like a stock. Okay, it's like stock. But understand that mutual funds and ETFs, they have some fees. They take fees from the price. So that's why I mostly don't buy. You tried contra trading. Now I don't understand. What's this contra AJs? What is this contra trading? I have never heard about this. Yes, dark trader. An ETF, if it is like an index, tracking an index, sometimes the index goes down, but sometimes the index go up. So you can make money also. So ETF, it is just about the whole index, which is sometimes good. No, I didn't begin in 2008. I began 2010. I didn't begin 2008. So in 2008, most of the people, they do shorting. You should do day trading, or you should short the whole market according to my strategy in training level 18. This is where I explain when there is the whole market or industry or sector, you should follow my strategy. And if the sector continue to go down, you can make money from it. We don't know. We don't know. There is 2008. There is a crash of the housing. Yes. 2000, there is the internet bubble. Yes, you will never know until few years, but for stocks you will know the time you buy them, and you will see. Does he mean contra trend trading? Well, yeah, but what do you mean? But it means when the stock stops and goes down, you just short it. You might, but I don't do that. Yes, in 2010, I trade. I do day trading. Probably teach bubbles. No, I don't teach, because things will stay long. If Warren Buffett knows about .com, which is in 2000, if he knows that a stock with $1 becomes $1,000, he will buy them. But he was scared. He said, "I will not buy something that I don't understand," and he is right. He doesn't understand something, so he has not bought like a Facebook or Twitter or the other, or Apple, or I don't know. I don't know what he has right now, but it's a long time. Oh, okay. AJs, I have my own strategies. I don't follow other people. I don't care about what the people do. So anyone has his own ways to do business. Just no, this Buffett, when he is asked how do you choose stocks, he say, "I have read a book." Now all the people have read a book, but they have made no money. So it's frustrating for the people who are following him. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes. See, incredible product. People who have money, it is their interest to help each other. Okay. If Warren Buffett says, I will buy a company, believe me, this company will go skyrocket. Why? Because they know that it will go up because he will buy a lot. This is this is a good thing. No, no, no. I come it with myself. I didn't get it from other people. But understand, there are some basics in trading that most of the people they do. Okay, in terms of protecting themselves, protecting on how to select stocks, but they differ in techniques. But there are some basics of using stop loss or following the stock. These are basics, okay, that most of the people who make money, they will know them, although with different techniques, but they will know them. No one knows. But if the stock market stop going up and it's going down, either it's a small correction or it is a crash. But no one knows until you see 1 month or 2 or 3, until you begin to understand. But no one knows. No. You see, he will never reveals anything because it is money. And he buys with a lot, so he pushes the stock. Whenever he buys a stock, he pushes it up. So the people will follow, and with some advertisement, he will make money for. Yes, but see, Darth Trader, George Soros and the other people are traders working with big money, billions of dollars. So they are not normal people that you can rely on them to. But it's very good to read books, which is very good thing. So in terms of knowledge, it's very good. You say, do you use any other? Yes, this is a criteria of stocks going long to generate stocks. But I have training level 4 for stock selection. It means when I see the chart, so I have some criteria that I explain in order to find these stocks. Now, when I buy, I just put stop loss and I follow the stock. So it's so simple. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. No, I don't buy. I don't trade bonds. No. Only I do only stocks. No currency pairs. No options. No futures. I do only stocks. Reflexibility. Trade books. So you can develop your own stuff, but if you don't understand the basics of trading, you always lose money. So this is why my strategy is try just to give you the basics from the beginning of searching. But I use also buying stocks from the bottom. It means from the support line. I have some techniques also. So this is another strategy. And there is another strategy when the market is going down. You can short it using other strategy. This is the three main thing I use in order to make my money. No, I am in stocks. I don't want to go to forex. No, I don't want. But it's the same thing. In forex, there are big banks transactions, so the stocks I can't find a lot of trends. So for me, stocks is better because I find more trends. Until you die. So since no one knows when he dies or when she dies, so I'm still doing swing trading, because swing trading is just buying and waiting for the trend. If there is no trend, you exit and you buy another stock. This is what I do always for many years, and it's good for me. No, it's not. It's not more easy because it's for more day traders than it is like futures. It's more for day traders than for swing traders. For traders, you need to have a long trends, 2 months, 3 months. Okay, so, and we have interest rates also. I don't like that, and I don't like that that there is no commission, there is fees. So there are a lot of things that I don't like in forex and futures. That's why I don't do them. Okay, that's why I do only stocks. Okay, so as I told you before, doing stocks for the long run, it means you buy and you leave. It's a good strategy for the long run, but understand that always there is a risk. Okay, and especially for those people who are doing like for the long run for many years. They buy like stocks and leave them for many years, but understand that sometimes there are bad years where all the profits will be taken. So it's better that someone, when he is like making profits and he see a huge profits from his stocks, he at least takes some and try to invest in other investments, because the main thing is money. Either you take it from stock market or from real estate or from any other else. The main thing is money. Yes, most of the people who do like day trading, they do short selling also, because there are always opportunities. Before, for me, when I used to do like day trading, you can use both ways, and it's very good. Yes, but sometimes you should if the market is good, sometimes some industries, some sectors are bad, going down. So diversification is very good, and you can just, if you find that it is too bad, you can take your money and put them elsewhere. It's not always, but sometimes the whole market is bad, like what happened 2008. Okay, but after a few years, 1 year or two, the precious metals like gold and silver, I was trading that. They were so good. I trade only the ETF, gold and silver. Okay, and you can trade companies like gold mine companies or silver companies or whatever. It was so good because all the money taken from the financials were put there, and there is a bull in precious metals. And I don't know if some people, I have made a lot of videos about this in the past. What was your occupation? I was teaching, and this helps me in this business. I was teaching before, so the main thing to understand is that time, it's not time that gives you the best profits, but it is the direction of the stocks that you have. Okay, let's say you have stayed 10 years with, let's say, 10 stocks. You have 10 stocks, you stay 10 years. Okay, some stocks do good, but some other stocks, they do so bad. Okay, so time has no importance when comparing it with direction, because some stocks you wait longer, they make good money, but some other stocks they make bad. So what is the most important thing is the direction, where the stocks are heading, and this is the most important thing that you should think. Now, for choosing stocks, it's better to be medium companies. It's better, okay. You can choose also small, but there are dangerous things about these small companies because of competition. A lot of companies, they go down and they go bankrupt, especially the small companies. That's why competition, and if this company can grow bigger and bigger and bigger, okay. You see, for example, Google, you see Amazon, you see Apple. These companies have been doing good for so long, okay. And people who bought them, they, as the other guy says, they are millionaires right now. Oh yes, Vivo. Here is my website and my email. Let's see. I don't know where I put them. Let's see where I put the email. I make a copy of it and I give it to you. Okay, here, Vivo, here is my email and my website. You can send me an email and we can talk in private and you ask whatever questions that you have. So, as I told you, Alibaba, I bought it, I traded the first day, the first day, Alibaba. So, you see, for me, I don't predict about the future because no one knows. You can prospect if you think that it is a good company and you think in the future it can grow bigger and bigger. It's okay. With all, there are a lot of stocks, not just this, but understand that there is always a risk. For me, I'm doing swing trading, so I don't care about the company, what does it do, or how it becomes bigger. If there is a trend, I buy. If there is no, I leave. I know, man. I see. Vincent NNYC. I don't know. I don't know. I will not predict. I myself, I would never put all my money in one stock. I will be stupid to do that, because if that stock goes down, after 5 years, I get hit with 50% of my money loss. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. If you want to, if you want to invest, you can put all your money into mini stocks. At least if one stock is doing bad in 1 year or 2 or 3, you can make other money. Thank you very much, Waldo. Thank you very much. Hey, Darth Trader, please, we are doing invest for the long run. I think you are doing a lot and you are putting a lot. So please, please, you can ask him his email and you can talk to him later. But here we are doing investing for the long run. And I'm explaining the thing. So if you interfere with my thing, it's not good. Okay. And I don't want you that you give advice what someone. Thank you, Darth Trader. And I don't want to give you advice on buying the stock or not buying the stock. Okay, you should, this investing, you should know the company, and you should know this is what I am talking, this is what I am explaining. And you are just going to jump on the stock and you buy it. I thank you very much, Darth Trader, thank you. This is what I am saying. There is no guarantee so ever in what you do. So whenever you think that that there is a guarantee, here where you messed up with your money, okay, and you begin to put a lot of money into one thing, and then when you lose it, or you lose half of it, or you lose a lot of, you do big loss, and you can't solve this problem, okay. And this is what some people do. I have a student who did 2 trades for many years. He buys Amazon and he buys another company. I don't know what is it. He has 500,000. It means 500K. And he put them in these 2 companies. Amazon and another company. I forgot it. Amazon, after a few years, it doubled. I think it was $500. It goes to nearly $1,100. Okay, 1,100. So his money doubled from $250,000 from Amazon. But the other 250,000, he bought that company, and it was going down. He doesn't care that much. He thinks that investing is just buying and forgetting. After a few years, and whenever he check, he doesn't find his stock. 250K. I'm telling you, this is not $5,000 or $10,000. He didn't find his money. Now this company go bankrupt, but he didn't know. And no money, he got no money, although he had made money from Amazon, and he has typically the same money after 5 years. Okay, so you see, don't try to have a guarantee in the market. Whenever you come to the market with this idea of guarantee, and then you did not understand the market, and you will never understand the market. And this is what I'm teaching. There is variables, there is probabilities. When there is a danger, you should be always outside. You should not be inside. Okay? For investing, yes, you stay many years, but when you see that your investment, you should put a limit to how much you lose. So I'm telling you, Vincent and YC. Okay. What if this 35,000 comes to 1,000? What do you think? It means okay. So it doesn't mean that it goes to 35 and then it goes to 60,000 right now. It means that you know that Alibaba will do this. Alibaba could go down and down and down so bad, and you can lose not just you have 35, but it can go to 20 or 15, and it will never go up again. It stays there, for example. So try not. But this is a conviction for you. If you like it, you want to stay. It's your. But for me, you are with the highest risk in the market, with the highest profit, and with the highest loss. Okay, but if you have, for example, if you put your money into 2 or 3 stocks, at least if one stock is doing bad, the other two stocks will do good, you can make good money. This is for investment. But this is just how you want to risk in the market. It's up to you. No one tells you what to do. You should do it yourself. Yes, you know, investing is so risky. It's not as the people think that you just put 10,000 and after 5 years you will find it 50,000. This is not true. It depends on where you are in the market. Depends on the stocks. It depends on wherever you are. So it's So I have no idea about commodity in Australia, but for me, if you take for example my criteria, and you can use them, you can use, for example, training level 2 or training level 3. Okay, you can use this in order to get the best stocks and to stay with them. If they continue to go up after they are going up, if they continue to go up, you stay with them until you make a large profit. So my strategy is just giving you where to buy, okay, to select stocks accordingly. But you should see if this doesn't go down and down and down more. But that's why we should use a stop loss, in order that when you pick something and it's not working, you should exit quickly. You shouldn't have a big losses. This is the most important thing in trading, is the big losses. Okay, this is the most important thing. So you should go, for example, and look for this commodity, like a sector or industry, and see where it's going. Did it stop or still? Or you can use what is it? Yes, some good with good stocks with liquidity, but sometimes there are some stocks that are not known by the day traders. It means few day traders they are working on them. That's why you find them going up slowly. No one knows, but when they discover them, they become volatile and they become very, very liquid. Okay, so it depends. Sometimes for me, I buy liquid stocks. Sometimes I buy not liquid stocks. Depends, because what I see is what I see where the money can go, which means if the stock has possibility to make more money. But when it is known by day traders, it will be more volatile. So here is my email and my website. You can just check this I have a lot of students in Australia, and I always following people who are searching for gold with metal detectors. I always watching that. Maybe one year I will go to Australia for that. It's a lot of gold there. So so as I told you, always try to think that the market is risky and there is no guarantee. If thank you, Vincent, NNYC. If you have more questions, Vincent, you can send me an email or okay. Due to huge layoffs in its sector, we are planning to full-time trading after practicing thoroughly. What is this? Now, Magesh Kumar, who is we? You say you, we. We are planning to full-time trading after practicing thoroughly. What you want to do, and how much money you have, and are you day trading or swing trading or investing? What's the deal? Because the market, I don't know how much experience you have. And which sector are you speaking about? Are you speaking about India, or are you speaking about some other place? Because I don't know what you are talking about. So, as I told you before, you should have conviction. You should have a strong ideas about where to invest for stocks, and you should have the ability to wait for many years in order to see results. But understand that some of your stocks will go up, that's good, but some maybe they go down. So you should have a plan. Make a plan for your investment. Even when you want to invest for each month or each 6 months or 3 months or 1 year, on how much money you put, it means don't stop investing. Don't stop, because the way when you stop, you think that this is sufficient, but it is not sufficient, because we understand that all the people are working. They don't have that much money. Okay, so you invest little by little, and you will succeed in the future if you make if you want to make a plan. So, Magesh Kumar, please answer my questions, because, or you can, Magesh Kumar, you can send me an email. Here is my email and my website, and we can discuss this later, because it is specific to you and what you are saying. It's not specific to other people. So, as I told you, you can make your own mutual funds, or you can buy ETFs for certain sectors or for the whole market or whatever. And because these are managed, because in ETF, for example, if it is following an index, you just get what the index gets. Okay. If it is mutual funds, you understand that it is changed. But you should go for mutual funds, you should go and see the record. Are they making money? Yes or no? Especially for those who have 401k, they are in America here, they work. Some people, they told me they have never seen how much money they have. Never. They didn't change, they don't do nothing. And this is very bad, not to look at your investment, because you will never know how much you have. So please, if you have questions about how to invest for the long run, please ask questions, and we could continue our explanation in few minutes until we see. We are in 2 hours 13 minutes, so elapsed time. So please, if you have questions, we can talk about this. I see that most of the people here in the United States of America, most of the people who have jobs, they are making some kind of investment. But there are some people, others, they don't know what is it. They are not putting any money aside, and this is a big mistake. If you don't have a plan for investment, this is a big mistake for your life. Okay? Some people try to make a very long investment, and they have couple of hundreds of thousands of dollars if they are normal people, if they are middle class, you can make millions of dollars. You just invest. Okay, if you are middle class, like doctors, lawyers, they make too much money, so they can invest for millions of dollars. But this comes in many years. It's not you invest in 1 year, you put $1,000 and you wait for $1 million after 10 years. This is not acceptable. So this should be investment, should be a continuous thing. Dart trader, most of the penny stocks that I have seen in America here, most of them, they go down. It's rare to see. People are looking for pump and dump schemes. If you want to make money with the big highest risk, go to pump and dump schemes. Okay, those stocks that sometimes they get manipulated and they go so high. For example, $1, it can go to $5 in 1 day. Okay, but you will never know, so you should just follow this kind of stocks. Maybe you find 1 or 2 or 3, but or you see stocks that have this type of pump and dump schemes and you follow them. But you can stay months or years. You might have a good surprise, but this is just strategies that the people hit and miss strategy. It's not reliable, but you can do it. Now, black hole, I don't use indicators. I have my own criteria. If you want to check them, training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener. When you use it, you find the beginning of the trend for stocks. Okay, so black hole, if you are interested, go to my website, check training level 2, how to search for stocks using stock screener, and you try to understand it, you study it, and then you can contact me and we can follow you with this. But yes, it's a Darth trader. Yes, why not? But I'm telling you, it depends on these stocks if they are pump and dump scheme stocks or they are normal stocks. Okay, so if you use my strategy, it means just my techniques. You just find stocks that are going up and then you stay with them. If they continue going up, you will make money. And this is I have training level 10, how to trade penny stocks. Okay, and this shows you the normal stocks that we are using. It's not pump and dump schemes, because penny stocks there are 2. There are one which is called pump and dump scheme. They are manipulated. Okay, manipulated how? It means you see them, they are low volume for many years, and then one day they go with millions. These are manipulated stocks. The stocks I'm talking about they are just going slowly. They don't go up and down too much, and I have criteria to find them. Daily, if you search daily, you will find this kind of stocks. Yeah, yes. Try to be careful with shorting or with this penny stocks, and don't do swing trading with them. They are very, very dangerous. Never, never, I'm telling you from now, this is my suggestion or my opinion. I don't give advice, I give just an opinion. For me, I will never short a stock in swing trading when it is small, $1, $5, $10. Never, never. I would never do that. Because what happens if the stock is $1 and there are good news or there is manipulation in the market? Some big guys manipulate the stock and it goes to $5 or $10. You understand that you lose all your money and you are in debt and you have problems with the broker. Okay, so be careful of shorting and playing with stocks like this. Incredible product. Try to be aware of this. Try to remember what I say to you. Stop shorting penny stocks, because sometimes you make money, but one day you will pay for this. When you pay, you will be in debt. And whatever you put, even if you put $500 or $1,000, maybe next day you find you lose $5,000 or $10,000, you will be in real trouble. Okay, so be careful of this. Yes, it is dangerous. It is dangerous. That's why. I have. It is called investing.com. You can search. There are a lot of search. Investing.com. Yes, investing.com. I have written it, so you can use it for. But you should know the criteria that I use, because I'm not giving you the criteria that you use. You should go to my strategy and you find the criteria. Yes, it has my criteria, yes. No, Chris Johnson, we are having here our strategies. We are not looking for advisors, because the advisors they don't trade. So when I teach you how to trade by yourself. It means you should be independent. You don't need anyone, or you don't pay anyone to trade for you. Okay, you should do this by yourself. So I don't go with advisors or with whatever. So Chris, if you are interested to learn my strategies, here my email and my website. Just go there and check. You can begin with one training, and then you see yourself. If you find it good for you, you continue. If not, you just go whatever you want. Yes, I know Credible Product. You have the training. I'm speaking to Chris Johnson. He says I am just testing, because most advisors, they give you opinion. No, I do swing trading. If you swing trading, you can go to my YouTube channel, and my trailer video. It has 4 minutes. It explains to you what is swing trading. Or you go to my website. Go to my website and you find what is swing trading, and it explains to you very good. No, Chris, swing trading is when you hold a stock overnight, but you will never know where you exit. That's why swing trading, it is not a few days or 1 week or 2. It could be 1 month, could be 2 months, it could be 3 months, if the stock is still giving money. So we are following trends. We are following, here I said to you, uptrends. We are following the trend. So intraday, it's called day trading. Over one night, it's called swing trading. When you hold the stock, you buy today, you hold it for tomorrow. This is called swing trading. But it has no limited time. 1 week or 2 or 3 or 4. For me, I am in a stock right now. I am in the seventh week. It's nearly two months, but I'm still in the trade. Why? Because I am making money from it. I don't want to exit until the stock stops giving money, and then I exit. These are techniques that I teach. So they are based on price, they are based on techniques and the signal, and you can follow my strategies and you do the same as me. If you are interested, Chris, you can do the same. Here is my website and my email. If you have a question questions later, you just send me an email and you explain to me whatever you are looking for. But here we are doing generally swing trading. I have another training for day trading. It's training level 12. This is about day trading. If you are interested, just go there. You find training level 12. This is day trading. And I have investing for the long run, which is training level 16. Okay, training level 16, how to invest for the long run. So Chris, is that clear for you right now? The swing trading, the difference. If it's not clear, you can just always send me an email. Oh, okay. Incredible. There is I put the video. I put the video about investing.com in training level 2. You can just check it. You can just check it. There is what we call in 2 training level 3 and in the subscription. You find the international stock screener. This is the title of the file. Hey Chris, I will not tell you what are my stocks. This is private business. No, I have about, right now I think I have about 9 stocks. 9 stocks I am in. You got the PDF file? I have no idea if I put in PDF, yes or no. I think it's in videos. I think I will see later. Send me a credible product. Send me an email, and tomorrow I will check. I will check with this video. I don't know. So Chris, I buy stocks. Any stock that I got, I lose because of the stop loss. I exit it. I replace it with another stock. And the stocks that are still continue to go up, I will stay with them according to my strategies until I finish with them. Yes. FB, which is Facebook. I traded from when it was 1755. It means 1999. I traded, but I didn't invest for the long run. I just trade. Hey, Martin Miner, how are you? So, Chris, I don't do long investments because I will lock my money. Sometimes Facebook, for 6 months it's going down, so I'm not going to stay 6 months doing nothing, waiting for Facebook to go up. And what if it doesn't go up and it's going down and down and down, like it happened to Twitter? Okay, so it's always I'm not going to stay with a stock in bad days. I'm staying the stock in good days only, when it trends up. That's it. That's why if you are an investor, it's okay. You are an investor for the long run. It's something else, which is very good. Amazon and Facebook, they have been doing good. Yes, you say dropping knowledge. Yes, I hope there is no one who gets hit with this knowledge, which is very funny. Dropping knowledge. That's very good, Martin Miner. Why you come late, Martin Miner? You coming late? It's 2 hours 29 minutes. You come late tonight. So as I told you, there are some people who get a successful investment for many years, and this is very good. Okay, it's very good. It means you succeed to make money from them. And it's I don't know how much money you have put with this Facebook and Amazon, but I'm telling the guys right now, sometimes when there is a big profits, you should take some and leave it and take it outside. You put it back to your bank or to something else, because sometimes investments which is very good go back. Hey, Martin Rubez, it's a long time I haven't seen you. I have seen you, I think, in Facebook. You are using your language, and I don't know what you are saying, so I don't want to go to translation. So where have you been, man? It's a long time. Are you still busy working? I have been doing live streams for 12 weeks right now. You don't come as often, Martin Rubez. How is the market there in your in Belgium? It's still good, going up. So as I told you before, investment it's always very good, but try to be careful that there is always a risk of losing all your profits if the market yes, Amazon, Apple, okay, they have become big. LinkedIn, and there are other companies, they become so big because the people, there is what we call the people love them. Okay, that's the deal. When there is something change, or the market change, or mutual funds they exit these companies, they will go and drop down, but it's not yet. It depends on when. So the market is always moving. There is not something that it is always going up without going down. So this is the market. You should accept all what comes from the market. Yes, Amazon and Apple, they have done so good because they always innovate things. They become very big because the people, they like them. Amazon, whenever you want to buy, you go to Amazon. All the people in America go to Amazon. Okay, before it was eBay, but eBay is not as competitive because Amazon, they have companies they sell there, so that's why they become big and big. Oh no, man, I don't do options, because understand that options, you are risking all your money at once. If something happens in the market, you lose everything. So for me, I don't play this game. I don't put 50,000 or 100,000 in an options, and then tomorrow I lose them all. So this is not guarantee. Okay, your friend, okay, Chris Johnson. If he tells you that there is guarantee, okay, give him your money and tell him what's this guarantee that he will give you, and give him money and let him trade with you. Hope he doesn't lose all your money at once, and then you can do nothing to your money. So there is no guarantee, I'm telling you. In trading, in investing, there is no guarantee. If you think there is guarantee, it means that you can manipulate something like penny stocks. There are some people, they say, oh, I can give you guarantee because they can't push the stock up. These are manipulators of penny stocks, not in something else. Okay, the people, they can play with some small stocks as they want. So try to be careful with that. So if your friend says there is a guarantee, okay, give him your money. How much guarantee percentage? Make a paper with him, official paper with lawyer or something, and then go with him. Okay, so don't think that there is a guarantee in the market. The market is illogical. Sometimes everything collapses. If you don't short, you don't make money. So yes, yeah, you know, Walmart is the biggest retailer in the world. It is the biggest right now, the first, in I think, or second or third. It was the. But understand that the people who are making money, they are the people who are owners, and the people who are executives. They are making too much money from Walmart. But the other people, you know, no one knows. No. Martin Miner. I don't watch TV, and I am not interested to someone tells me what about the future. I don't like this superstition, and I don't follow these guys. CNBC. Okay, it says tomorrow the market will be up. How do you know? Maybe you die tomorrow and you don't see the market going up or going down. How do you know? Okay, so you know. People are paid to tell what they tell. Okay, they are paid millions of dollars. Do you know why they are paid millions of dollars? Not because he knows. It's just because he can influence people. If he tells you, for example, buy this company because you tomorrow you are going to go up to buy it, and millions of people, they are going to buy. So the company will be going up. But maybe the owner or maybe the hedge fund want to sell, so they ask this guy. So it's a tricky thing. And if you follow people like this without understanding what they say, you will get in trouble. Sooner or later, you will get in trouble. And believe me, no one knows what will happen in the future. Tomorrow maybe we have a collapse of the stock market because some bad news, international or national. How can someone tells you that next few weeks this company will go up or go down? So it's just no. I'm not saying that someone is a scammer. No, these are people working online. They get paid to tell what they tell. It means, do you think that they will give you information from himself like this for charity? There is no charity in the stock market. Believe that. Believe me. There is no charity. That's why in Wall Street, they say, no free lunch at the market. So understand that. Yes, you know, Walmart, why it is in good business. I'm telling you, it's just because it buys so cheap. It pushes people to buy so cheap. That's why Walmart is good. Okay. Thank you very much, Martin Rubez. I know you are doing a lot of things, a lot of businesses you are doing. So maybe you don't have time. You don't have time to come to us, and we can just chat. You can also, Martin Rubez, you can also send me an email and telling me about your businesses, because you are doing so many things there where you live. And it's a very good thing to stay busy. You should, Martin Rubez, you should buy stocks for the long run, since maybe you don't have time. So you should just buy some stocks and leave them for a few years, and Maybe it's a good thing for you since you are busy to do swing trading or whatever. So as I told you before, buying stocks and leaving them is one thing. It's a good thing. See, understand wise men understand the job what the people are doing. Okay, they are advertising for the people who pay them. Analysts, those gurus that you find online, they working for companies. They send you stocks and they say, okay, buy these companies, they will go up. All this stuff is like, I'm not saying scam. They are just doing this for the people who pay. So they are paid, so they do what because this is just journalism. Okay, journalism means you just say what you say and they are getting paid. It's like the news. People who say the news, they are getting paid to tell this news. Okay, so that's it. It means the future is very hard. No. See, Chris, bonds, they move and they have interest rate. Okay, like a profit. But the bonds themselves, it means the principal. Let's say a bond can give you 8%. Okay, they give you 8%, and the bond is $10. Okay, $10. But maybe after a few years, this bond will be $6. So when they give you this 8%, you will find yourself losing money. So you should be trading them. You should be trading them and don't forget about the percentage they give. Hey, Minyapan, I told you before. Send me an email. Here is my email. Send me here my email. We can talk about this. In IT sector, you are speaking about India. Please send me an email and we can talk about this because this is specific for you. I think in general that you should find another job first, even if it's or find to immigrate to another place, to find a job first, because putting your saving money into trading and you don't have what to live for, I don't know how much money you have. I don't know anything about you. So there is no safer thing, because I just Martin Miner, I just explained to you. That bonds can go up and down, so it is not safer. You think it's safer, but it is not. You should understand how it works. How it goes up, it goes down. If it goes up and you have 8%, it goes up with 5% or 6%. You can make a lot of money, but if it goes down, you are losing money. So. Yes, thank you, Mini. Send me an email, and we can talk. We can talk about this into details because it is something related to you, and the other people are not interested in what you do or what you have as a problem. I see a lot of Indians. They come immigrate to America, and they do the IT thing. So it's a very big market here. So you should maybe think. How these people, they immigrate and you immigrate here, it's better for you to make a lot of money, and then you can invest in the market. So good. I don't know if there are like contracts or something like that. So for investing for the long run, the most important thing is the direction. Is the stock that you bought, is it making money? Yes or no? It's not the time. You can stay stuck with 10 years. Either you can make money, or the stock goes down and up and stays in the same, so you don't lose that much money, or you don't make a lot of money, and you can lose a lot of money from this company. That's why, for me, how I see things is that I see that you should diversify and have many stocks into different sectors, not all in the same thing, and diversification can help you. But in big crisis, it's very hard, and almost all investments can lose a lot of money, lose from their profits if they have. So understand that everything you do, there is some type of risk, and since they don't put stop loss for investment like this, like for a long time, so understand you should have a plan. Do you want to exit, or do you want to stay for the stock is going down and down and down? Are you going to exit, or are you going to stay more years? It depends on you and your plan. So you should make a plan before you begin doing the trading investment. And don't think that when you invest, you should invest only once. It's not a good idea. In order to invest, you should continue investing the whole life. You have $10,000. Next year, you put more. The other year, more. It becomes 20,000, 30,000, 60,000, and the stocks are going up. And you change what is bad. You change it. You sell it, and you buy another one, and you continue investing for the long run, for all your life. Investment, it doesn't mean that you do one investment and then you stop. This is wrong. Yes. Martin Rubays, if you want to invest, like investor, to become investor, you can just find some good companies, and you just buy little money, and then you leave them. And each 3 months, 6 months, if you have more money, you can put for those who are going good. For the stocks that are going bad, just leave them until they come back again. This is how you invest. It means you invest for the long run. It means you don't invest $10,000 and then you stop 10 years and then you come back to see how the investment goes. This is not a good thing. You should continue investing in order to make your account bigger and bigger and bigger. This is the best thing that you can do in investing. That's why those people who invest for little by little, they can make. Martin Miner C. For the books, I have put a list of books in one of my videos. Go to my channel and put recommend. I think it's called recommended trading books. Put it in my channel, search in my channel, and you find the video. This is just a few, okay? These are just a few books, but there are a lot about trading, about swing trading, about investing. Okay, there are a lot. So you should just go and check this kind of books. But understand that Martin Miner, it's better to use my strategies because they are direct. They give you what to do, how to search, where to put stop loss, how to follow an uptrend. These are direct information. It gives you the concept how to make money from stocks. It means it gives you concepts, and it gives you direct information what to do. It solves your problems. But books, they give you ideas. They give you ideas, they give you general things, but they don't give you a direct strategy. No, I don't do cryptocurrencies. I'm not into currencies. No, I don't do currencies and futures and options. I don't do. I like always stocks, because stocks can grow. You find a company that it is small, it becomes big. I like to, when a share is small and this share can become big. See, for example, Facebook. Okay. In 2012, I said buy Facebook when it is 19.99. I say buy because I see the big trend, because it stops at 17.55. The next day it was 19.99. I bought it, but since you say I'm a bit fan of Dogecoin, I don't know what is it. I don't follow coins or Dogecoins. So what is this Dogecoins? I don't follow these things. So as I told you, from 1755, the next day it was 1999. I make a video, and when it, for me, I do just trends. So when it goes to $32, I sell it at $31. Okay, so this is how I trade. It means I trade following trends, following, or what we call trend followers. It means you just cryptocurrency. Okay, I don't follow these currencies at all. My main concern is the stocks. No, I don't go to currency or options or futures. I'm always in the stocks, and it's very good for me. So everyone knows what's good, what's bad. I'm doing swing trading. I have a lot of free time, so this is what I like and this is what I do. Which means I don't want to do something like day trading or frustrate myself or stress myself and follow the screen for many hours. I don't do that. That's why I choose the only thing I do. I choose the best thing for me, but for other people it could be something else. Okay, so as I told you, whatever you do in the market, it has a risk, and there are a lot of people that I see always. They are always thinking, what is the safest thing? I want a safe thing. I want to guarantee. You come to the stock market when there is no guarantee and you are asking for guarantee. I'm telling you, there is no guarantee and there is risk. If you accept that, you are welcome to join the stock market and to trade or to invest or to swing trade. If you don't like this, you are just wasting your time. It means you begin searching for a guarantee all your life, you don't find it. Okay? Like the other guy who tells me that he pays $10,000, and someone who is from India or something, he will tell him 99% stocks, and he will become, I don't know. So this is something stupid. I have never seen this. Can you accomplish this full time? Now, what do you mean, Martin Miner? Can you accomplish this full time? Yes, I do it full time. Yeah, AJ's, I have been trading gold and silver when there is a big trend in 2011. Okay, so in 2010 and in 2011, until the end of the gold and silver, the peak, the highest peak, is in April. You can check it on the chart. April 2011. This is the peak, the highest peak. After that, they go down. Okay, so I was trading in 2010, 2011 in precious metals. Yes, I was very interested, and I bought a lot. I traded a lot at that time. Everything. But for now, when I scan, if I find any good stocks, I buy them. Whatever is the industry, I don't care which industry is. Yes, yes, lifetime, because when you buy, they are always online. They are online, and you come to watch them as you like, 24 hours, wherever you want. Here is the website and the email. If you have any question, you can just send me an email. Yes, adaptability. If you don't adapt to situations, you will not succeed. This is something related to intelligence. Adaptation, it means you can survive bad things. Okay? So, it's true. But for me, I'm not. I am adapted well in what I do. I don't go to other things that I don't like currency pairs or options or futures. I don't like, so I don't go to it. So I don't need to go, because I'm making money here. So why should I go there? So it's stocks are better because I see things, I see trends, and I follow very good. And the way things work in stock market is different from the other styles, like currency pairs and like options, and each one has another kind of risk. Each one has its own things. So I use what I am good at. So as I told you, yes, AJ's 2011 in April. If you can check the chart, this is the last month. It's the peak, and then from that, gold and silver go down. Silver has been the worst. Okay, because from I think from 48 it goes, I think, until 13 or something like that. So it was so bad. Those who bought silver and they invest in it and they don't know how to exit, they do investing, they have lost all their money and more. Okay, because there is a big trend and then it stops and then it goes down. So for gold, it was 1800, I think it was 1880, I think, and it goes to 1200. So it lost, but it didn't the gold didn't lose as much as silver. Silver was hammered with shorting. They shorted too much and they go down. So a lot of people, they lose a lot of money from it. But also before, it was so good. It was so good because from 2008 until 2011, this is the years where the money goes from mutual funds. They go from financials, which is the crisis. They take all their money and they put it in precious metals. That's why after 2008, 2011, the precious metals, they go good, and the financials, they go bad. So this is typical for stock market. Always we have things, something go up, something go down, and if you don't exit on time, believe me, you will pay, and you will give all your profits and all your money to other people, because you don't know what to do. And for my own strategies, I will try to be very cautious about risk. Trading is risk. If you don't know how to protect your money, the market and the other traders will take all your money if you are careless. That's why my training is basically to understand the risk, to know where to buy, to know when it doesn't work you should exit. That's why we should use stop loss. If something doesn't go good, just exit. Okay, you lose little and you exit. It's better that when you lose a lot and you exit. It's a big difference. Okay, so you should make money and protect the money also in the future, not just make the money. Sometimes people, they make a lot of money but they lose it, so it's very hard. So that's need practice always. But as I see Martin Rubays, you are doing, I know personally the faith existing monetary system is not that great. Yes, see, Martin Rubays, stock market is not the only thing that you can look for money. You can do whatever you, and I think you are doing a lot of businesses, and you can succeed in anything. So it's not just stock market. But sometimes you can buy some stocks and they get good and you can make a lot of money. So why not? So money is everywhere. So you should just go and you have the means to make the money. So monetary system, for me, I really don't care about this monetary system, because I follow stocks. I don't care. If stock goes up, I'm making money. If it goes down, I'm exit. I don't care about what happened to the company or whatever. Yes, as I told you always, the market is illogical because the people are illogical. Because we are all in this market. When you want to buy a stock that there is someone who is selling, you ask yourself why he is selling, and you ask yourself why you are buying. This is the difference. It's just opinions in the market. I have an opinion that the stock will go up according to my criteria. I buy it. If tomorrow, I buy it at the end of the day. Tomorrow, if the stock is going up, what does it mean? I am right, so I should stay in order to make more money. But if the next day it's against me, I am wrong, so I should exit. That's so simple strategies that help people make money without big risk. There is risk, but it's minimal. And all these people, they lose money, they buy, they sell. Oh, Martin Miner, that's very good. I don't know that you are working from home. So what do you do at home? What kind of job or business? What kind of business that you are doing at home? If you, Martin Miner, if you follow my strategies, you don't have to wake up early, because we buy stocks at the end of the day. So you don't need to wake up early and do day trading. You can do swing trading. Okay, you can do swing trading, and you can do swing trading, and you buy at the end of the day. After, like, let's say after you search at around 3 o'clock, like 3 o'clock, you can search, and you can just search with stock screener. Then you put in the chart, the list that you find, then you select with my criteria, which is training level 4. You search everything, and then you buy, you put stop loss, and then that's it, your job. So tomorrow at the end of the day, you can see your stocks, what will happen, and you can make decisions. If the stocks are going up, so you will be making money. So as easy as this. You don't have to go up in the morning at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock and you begin searching for stocks for day trading, and you will spend all your day doing that. So that's very good. You are a financial aid analyst for a higher education organization. That's very good. Financial aid, it's very good. It's very good thing. And some people, when they think trading is like just a hobby, you can just trade whatever you want. But whenever you begin to focus on making money from it, you should have an account and you should begin seriously either doing day trading or doing swing trading. So I have training level 12, which is about day trading. If you can check it whenever you have time. And we have, you can begin with training level 2, which is how to search stocks with stock scanner. Or you can use an index, which is training level 3, using index industry to search for stocks, okay, with the same criteria, but it's different. It's manual. This is like a manual search. So what is your Martin Miner, what is your specialty? It means you are analyst for what? What kind of thing you do? You are financial aid analyst. The thing that you do, what kind of analyst are you? It means you are doing analyst for which financial thing? Because we haven't talked about this before. So as I told you, investing, what's this? I was putting this too. Investing, you should have a real plan of doing things. It's not just you invest and you don't know what you are doing for 10 years or 20 years. This is not an investment. You should add money, save money to your investment, add more and more and more. Okay, this is a good thing. And follow your investment. Like for the earnings, you try to see 3 months or so, see where your stocks are. Try to compare your stock with its industry. If the industry is going up and your stock is going down, understand that there is a problem in this company and you should take it seriously. If the stock is doing the same as industry, it's good. If the stock is doing better than the industry index, that means that your company is so good. Okay, so these are something that I'm telling you is just to show you how to look for your stocks, and this information that I give you is so important in investing. So please, we are at the end of this session, so if you have please some questions or you can just ask me before we end this session. It's 3 hours 8 minutes right now, so we will be ending this session. So please, if you have questions, I put my my website and my email if you have questions. I am still drinking my coffee for 3 hours and 9 minutes, and still I have some. So for you guys, if you have more questions about investing, you can check, for example, Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yes, it's a very good job. It's a very good job. If you can work from home, this is a very good thing. Uh, Maybe you don't see students, but you just work from home. This is a good thing. It means you can work at any time you like. You work at any time you like, and you can do day trading, or you can do swing trading. This is very good. That's very good. So you are. I hope you are going to school and you have a lot of stuff. That's very good. No, Bartolo Base, no. I have my subscription, which subscription, if you go and check it, it shows you how I search for stocks and how I select the stocks according to my criteria. This is a practice thing, and I do it each week. So we are we are in week 78. It means we are more than 1 year. I am doing this. Okay, it is this subscription, and it is $35 a month. Okay, for some short time, and it has 4 training levels for free. This is just to help people to understand what I am doing, and those who are interested to continue, they can continue and follow their training with training level 5, level 6, level 7, 8, 9, 10 until they finish their training, which are 10 levels. This is what I do, but it's not a month. Yes, it is a monthly subscription, but I didn't do day because sometimes I don't open my broker. For me, myself, my stocks, sometimes I look at the chart. If there is nothing to do, I have to do nothing. So why should I go and open my account? Sometimes I just look at the chart. And this is the good thing, I'm telling you, because when you buy stocks, and if they are going good, it's very good. Now, if I have one that has, for example, let's say one, I exit, either taking profits or stop loss. Now that stock, I will replace it. I will search and I buy in that day. That's it, what I should do. Other days that there is something, stocks are doing good, so why should I bother go to my broker and open it? I don't, most of the time I don't open my my broker. Yes, this is very good. If you are working from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., okay, you can at 3 p.m. you can search for stocks, and you do the same as I do. You search for stocks, okay? You search for stocks, and then you put them in the chart, and then you follow the best according to my criteria, and that's it. And you buy, you put stop loss, that's it. But you need to learn there's a curve of learning, so you should either use my subscription until you understand how to search for stocks, and then continue with how to make money from stocks, because there is a concept that you should understand before you do this business. And there is 6 and 7, which is how to put stop loss, or how to calculate stop loss, and how to follow an uptrend, or the stock itself, how to follow it. There are some techniques that you should use on how to stay with the stock until the end, until it stops giving any money. And then you can go and see other training, okay? And each training gives you more knowledge about the about the strategies. There are other strategies if you are interested to invest for the long run, or to buy from the support line, it means from the bottom. These are more difficult, so you should need time to understand them. Yes, for businesses, you can do whatever you like. If you, for example, you are a writer and you can write short stories or novels or whatever, okay, you put them online, and if they are sold, you will make an income. So these are, or you can start anything that you want, or you coach people for something that you know. This is a good business also. Okay, but you know, some people they succeed, other people they don't succeed. Don't think that it is so easy. For anything that you do is so easy. Okay, some people they know maybe information, but they can't teach. They can't know how to teach other people, or how to give the message. Okay, which is very hard. So you should train yourself and do whatever. But as I told you, Martin Rubez, I told you before, money is everywhere. You can do whatever businesses in order to make money. So stock market is not the only thing. Okay, so you have other things that you can rely on and make money better than stock market if you know them. Okay, there are many people that they do not as risky as things as stock market. Okay, you can do other businesses that are less risky. Okay, in terms of making money, of investment, of something. But in every business there is a risk, except when you do it for fun. It means you write books, or you write or you do comic books, or you make apps, or whatever you do. Okay, so there are a lot of businesses, and there are millions of businesses. It's just you should choose the business that you are good in it, and you can do whatever you want. But it's not easy. Maybe you know better than me. It's not easy to start from zero and then you make a business. It's not as easy as you might think. Okay, and so I am just waiting for more questions, and then we can end up this session for today. And we will be making, if God wills, another session next Saturday, if God wills. There is a lot of retail space I would like to take advantage of. Yes. Be careful. Retail companies, or they're having hard times. Okay, because the choice becomes a lot, and some companies they lose the monopoly. Before, there are some companies, stores, you go them, they have control of everything. Whenever you want to buy something, you go to them. But right now is everything online. Whatever you want to buy is online and is cheaper than the stores. That's why they lose a lot of money. So if you are doing retail, I don't know what's the thing you want to do. What is this, Martin? What is this tipping service? This tipping service is good. What is it, this tipping service that you are talking about? For the lazy ones. That's good. So tipping service is a good thing, but I don't know what is it. So what is it, this tipping service that you are talking about? That's that's very funny with this tipping service. Good night, Frank Prankster, and see you next week if God wills, if we are still alive. So no, see, I use wise men for this less than a week. It's just a short for those people who don't want to be patient. Okay, you can use it. You can use it on some stocks, and they give the criteria what are this kind of stocks. But you can use it when the stock is going up. When the stock is going up, you find opportunities, and I have explained. Wise men, I have explained. If you go to the training, if you are interested, you can just study it again and send me questions by email. I can answer you. You can show me some examples that you have, and we can talk about this, wise man. Okay? No, no, I am. See, I am. I don't do stock tips. No, I don't, because stock. I would like to teach people to be trader themselves and to be independent from me. Okay, let's say I do stock tips and then I stop. So it's not a good idea, because if you do stock tips or stock picks, as they say, you should continue with the other people, because the other people, they should know how to do stop loss. They should know how to follow the stocks. It's a long things. So those guys, I'm not interested to help them. This is not just help, because they stay with their with their old knowledge. They don't want to learn a new thing, and it's very hard. In trading, you should learn new things. You should adapt to new situations. That's why it's not what I am looking for. No, I can't. No, I don't like incredible product. I don't like, because people, they don't know. Yes, I understand your thing is teach and do stock picks. No, I don't want to do stock picks. Okay, because I want to teach people how to trade. This is my main business. I don't want to give stocks like this to lazy people. Okay, because they don't know what to do with them. Even sometimes they buy the best one, or they go down. They don't know how to exit, and my strategies are based on probabilities. So if you don't understand the probability, there is no need to go further with the strategy. Okay, that's why it's better that the people get to know how to trade themselves and to know the risk, than just do it like blindly, like this, like gambling. Okay, like gambling, like buy a ticket and wait for the millions of dollars. Yes, I am better. Yes, Martin Rubays, you can you can make apps to do whatever you want, and you can help with whatever. And this a tipping website, I don't understand what you give to the people as a service. So I don't know what is it. So Martin Rubays, you can send me bookmakers. I have no idea. I have no idea about about what you are talking about. What is this bookmakers that you are speaking about? So you are using some software or something. So it needs explanation because I am not into that. So you can send me an email and we can talk about this. But I am not into when we say when. You can never outperform bookmakers. So so who are these, in order to understand you what you are talking about? Who are these bookmakers? What do you mean by that? At least if I understand, I can tell you my opinion. What do you mean by bookmakers? Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay. It's for sport betting. It means you make something. But if you put it with money, here in America it is regulated. Okay, it is regulated. So it's not. I don't know about your country, but I don't know about your country. So are you Martin Robez, are you into that? Have you done something like and do they pay you for getting better results? Okay, and then if you lose all your money. It's like betting. So what's the deal with that? Ah, it is math. But it is calculated, but in sports, what is calculated in sports? If we have teams and you have the stuff. Yes, when you lose, they take all your money. So it's like gambling. Yes, this I understand. When you bet, you lose your money. So it's frustrating. Yes. So for me, which kind of sports? Oh, okay, like money management in stocks. Yes, it's there are some gamblers who are professional gamblers. I have read before some books about gamblers. Yes, I understand, but it's not something that I am going through or something. So I always try to see calculating margins. Yes, it's a good. Are you into that, Martin Rubez? Are you doing some business like this? Hey, Antonella, you finish work? It's a 3. I have been speaking 3 hours 28 minutes. How are you? So I have been talking for 3 hours 28. I'm just asking questions. And here we have Martin Robez and Credible Product are speaking about software and about gambling. So they changed the subject. It's like something else that I am talking about. Oh, no. Someone told me that I pay him $2,000 or $1,500, but I didn't go with the training. I didn't go with the training because I understand that he doesn't trade himself. He put a lot of screens, like the day traders put a lot of screens, and I go to his house and he told me, I will show you And from the chart, I just tell him how this can go here and here. He say, I will show you, will teach you, and and then I understand that it's not true, because he was not trading at all. I understand. So he was maybe teaching finance or teaching something or at the university, but he's not a trader at all. So that's why I didn't go with his training. I refused. But there is someone else who wants to rent me his software. I told you about this story again, and he speaks for 2 hours, and I am not convinced. I say to him, if this software gives you in 15 minutes, it gives you $500. Why you rent it to me with $350 a month? So they are selling some strategies like this. It means, but when it is a software, it is not something human. It is a human at the basics, but it works with numbers. That's it. And for me, I should see all my business, all my trading. When I trade, I don't use blindly calculations. I should see the chart. So I am more chartist than technical analyst or something like that. Okay. Yes, Martin Rubens. There are people making money from anything. I have seen someone who writes a sentence in potato, and he sold thousands of potato like this. So you can make business if you find some people who buys from you. Yes, it's not he uses indicators. I understand that he doesn't trade. This is a problem. When someone doesn't trade, you can just go online and you find these people who don't trade. Just you know that they don't trade. They work for brokers, or they are just workers like any other worker. I see some I follow some webinars before, and whenever there is something for real, for information, the guy doesn't know what to do. So I understand that it is just a game. The broker hires these people. They have a lot of strategies. They study them. They teach people, and the people will try these strategies, and they lose money. So for the broker, they will be making money to attract more customers. That's the deal. Because if the understand, okay, understand. If this broker has millions of dollars, let's say he has 50 million or 100 million in his hands, how he doesn't trade with it? But he give it to you with 2% or 1% or 3% interest rate. It means he doesn't want to risk any money. So he doesn't rely on his abilities to trade. It's not like a hedge fund. Hedge fund, he knows how to trade, and the people, they trust him, and he will trade. Maybe he make money, maybe not. But he is a trader in real. Okay? So this is the big difference. Big difference between someone who trades, someone who... Yes, it might be. But the probabilities of a stock market is 50-50. No, thank you. Thank you, Martin Robes, for coming and for giving us ideas. It's very good ideas, but try to come each Saturday if you have time. I know you are busy, but if you can come, it's very good. It's a very good thing to see you here. And we can discuss a lot of things, or you can send me an email whenever you have ideas, and then we can talk. But anything that it is gambling, it's betting or something, I am not into it. I am into something that it is real business that you can make. So don't apologize. You are here. You are welcome. So as I told you before, we were going to end this session. So if you have any question about investing for the long run, I could hear from you. Or if you don't have time, you can just send me an email, and we can talk later about the subject. So I have been talking for 3 hours 35 minutes. I begin to be tired, although I didn't finish my coffee, which is very good. I'm still drinking this coffee for 3 hours for 35 minutes. Thank you very much, Martin Miner. I'm always try to get ideas, and we try to share information. But for strategies, you should go through it, and you should begin to practice. And whenever you have problem, you just send me an email. I will help you. As I have thousands of people, it means I'm always helping people with their training. It means you go from one step to another, and it's a very good thing. Thank you very much, Rikoshi and Cicity. Thank you very much, and hope always to find you and to continue speaking. Martin Rubez, you can send me an email, and we can talk about other businesses. Stacking the probabilities in your favor is called? I don't know. I don't have a name for my probabilities, but it is just a name for my business, which is called Djellala Strategies. This is how I name my probabilities, and it's probabilities based on basics in trading. Yes, Antonella, you came on too late. We have been speaking about investing for the long run. You can watch the video tomorrow, maybe at the end of the day tomorrow, because it will be processing right now, and then you can watch it again when it ends. Hope Antonella, you come earlier, but I know that you are working, so you can't come on time. But you can watch our live. If you have questions, as usual, if you have questions, you can send me questions, and we can talk. Always, I can answer your questions. Okay. So yes, thank you very much. If you watch the video, or you can watch the other streaming videos that I did before, and then whatever your question, you can ask me questions. Thank you, all you guys, that you come here this night, and we have a great night sharing information together. Thank you very much, and see you next time, maybe Saturday 11 p.m. as this time, and nice weekend. Thank you very much, and have